Yep, I like that a lot. We'll see how waterproof it is. We'll see how long this lasts today, but I feel like it's good. I feel like this is good stuff, y'all. Don't remember using this that much. Okay, I'm not going to use liner on my upper line. I'm just going to go ahead and curl my lashes. I've already got my lipstick on, which is my Chanel Soft Rose. What is it? Soft Rose. I forgot the number. Can you believe that? There we go. I do feel like this is settling a bit in my pores and wrinkles. However, I feel like what's settling in there is good product that actually has some hydration and anti-aging properties. And because of the moist look, I feel like it's making me look younger. Matte doesn't always make you look good, y'all, just because your pores don't show up as much. Sometimes it makes you look more, yeah, your pores may show more the other way, but I think matte kind of does make you look dried out sometimes. It just depends on what day you're talking to me. Like right there, it's definitely really moist and it's leaving product in the crease. Don't know how I feel about it. But, like I said, I did put on a somewhat kind of a moisturizer in that I put on, this is the Thrive Causemetics Lash Extensions Mascara. Is that I did put on a sunscreen, which had some moisturizing properties to it. So it may be, you know, just kind of a combination of a lot of creamy stuff on my face. I really do like this mascara. It is not waterproof. Y'all know how I feel about not waterproof, but of all the not waterproofs, look on one pass how much difference that mascara makes. Part of it is the product itself, the consistency, and part of it is this incredible comb. It's a very hard comb, very hard, and so it pulls through really well, and it's almost like a little bit of an elasticy product. So it does, once you come through, it's kind of sticking, and that's what you want, because if you just curled your lashes, you want them to stick in the position that you just curled them in. So I do feel like for a non-waterproof, this is the only mascara I would promote and say I'd do this even though it's definitely not waterproof. As a matter of fact, if you sweat or it rains, this comes off like little tubes. And that's one of the reasons I like waterproof, is if I sweat or if I cry, or, you know, like I would never wear to a funeral or wedding, or just something that I might be emotional, church, you know, something like that. Do any of y'all cry at church? I cry at church a lot. I guess I'm just so thankful for the Lord that it just touches my heart. So almost every praise song, every worship song, it always does. But anyway, it just makes me want to wear waterproof for those occasions. And really, since you never know when it's going to rain or you're going to get really hot, especially as you get older and you have hot flashes, and you can't really tell when that's going to happen. You can tell if it's going to happen. If you're in that phase of life, you know it's going to. So I would definitely not wear anything but waterproof mascara. Because you don't want it all under your eyes while you're sweating. And people say, well, it's so hard to get off. Not if you use the Neutrogena wipes. That it says the blue ones that even say right on there, even removes waterproof mascara. And it does. You have to rub it back and forth a little. Not too hard. You don't got to tug on it. Just, you got to let the product sit on your lashes. So you got to rub it back and forth on your lashes a little bit. And then when you wipe, it will come off. So it takes about 5 minutes to take your makeup off, but I mean it's the best makeup remover I've ever used. And the wipes themselves are not real fibery, so they don't get all in your eyes, because sometimes I would get fibers from the wipe in my eyes. But that's not true with the Neutrogena ones. Now that's 2 passes and that looks really good. See how that's kind of elasticy right there? Yep, that's some dried of it. Hold on. I need something to get that off with. I'll just get a tissue. Yeah, see, it's kind of elasticy. And that's what it's like on your eyes too, but it washes right off. So I do love that. I really think I like that liner really good. We'll see. We'll see how good it lasts today. So that's my look. I need to add a little blush, and I'm going to use my Sigma blush palette for that. Again, you could use a Sigma blush palette for a full face, because you could use that highlighter for under your eyes and inner corner, and these colors for your eyeshadow. Or some people like mauves for their eyeshadow. So we're just going to the upper part and then rosy it out. I'm using Pinkin and Mod Mauve. This is a really good palette, y'all. I really do like it. And then if I need to put a little shadow to contour, I can. I'm using, that's called Spiced. I just do that way back here, and then on the hairline and the temples. Just a little bit, just to give a little bit of a shadow. And I'm just shadowing under the chin so that the little fatty doesn't look so bad. That way, and then be sure and go up and down to blend that out so you don't look like, uh-oh, you know. There. What do y'all think? Do you like it? Did I get everything? Did I blend good enough? It looks like it. Okay, y'all. I'm going to let you go. I love y'all very much. Please like and subscribe if you have not already, and tell your friends all about me so we'll stay on the air. I think we will. I think we're okay. But I don't know. I never take it for granted that I'll always be here, right? So yeah, I guess I better put that over there. Alright, so that's the palette we used. I do recommend it. I think it's just your basic, again, I'll show you again, your basic warm neutrals is perfect. It's called the Perfect Eye Palette Warm Neutrals. I could have named this. And it's a nice sturdy packaging, plastic. And so that's it, y'all. I love y'all. I need to get on to my daddy's and take him some pot roast. Okay, love you, bye. I need to get moving. I'm just acting like I've got all day long.